What is ASLV? ASLV full form Augmented Satellite Launch Vehicle. ASLV is also called Augmented Satellite Launch Vehicle, and it is a launch vehicle which is operated and designed by ISRO. What is ASLV? It is a launch vehicle designed and operated by ISRO and was developed to increase the payload capacity of 150 kilograms so that satellites weighing up to 150 kilograms can also be placed in low Earth orbits to be placed easily. ASLV is a 5-stage vehicle, and all its stages use solid propulsion, and its length is up to 24 meters with a lift-off weight of 40 tons, and in India this project was started during the 1980s. Its design was based on the satellite launch vehicle. 4 flights were operated under the ASLV program, out of which 2 flights, which were failed on 24th March 1987 and 13th July 1988, both were unsuccessful, and after this the third developmental flight was organized on 20th May 1992. She was named ASLV D3. She successfully placed SRSS-C in an orbit of 255 by 430 kilometers with a mass of about 106 kilograms, and then ASLV D4 was launched on 4th May 1994, and also SRSS-C2, whose weight was able to keep her was 106 kilograms. ASLV, which was a project for satellite launch vehicle, was started by ISRO, or the Indian Space Research Organization, and headed by APJ Abdul Kalam in the early 1970s to succeed in developing the technology needed to launch satellites. ASLV's blows. Due to its success in this, 4 flights were flown, some of which were unsuccessful. We are telling you about this, and this flight was conducted under the ASLV program from the SLV launch pad of Sriharikota High Altitude Range. The first developmental flight of ASLV was conducted on 24th March 1987 and it failed. After that, the second developmental flight of ASLV was conducted on 13th July 1988, but this too was a failed attempt. After that, the third developmental flight was conducted on 20th May 1992 and it was a partial failure. After that, the most important developmental flight was conducted on 4th May 1994 and it was successful. After the fourth developmental flight in 1994, the ASLV was terminated or disbanded indefinitely, making the 1994 flight its last flight and no developmental flight after that.